Got me. Okay. So this is a Rampage. I just had it today. Oh god damn it. So that's just how you the Rampage. So my first two bullets was down there. Then it became there and there. Now it ends with this. Last thing I know. So the Rampage is not very good. But you can have it because you put that in your retaliator if you got to retaliate. But this barrel in the retaliator. So then it'll be better. So I'm picking up my ball. So I would go for so this is a Rampage. You can shoot 25 bullets and then you have to reload. It's quite difficult how you work it. Okay. It's like this is elite ammo, and you can put one in and then they go around like that. You can see here. So I hope this review helps you a lot. And if you got two of these guns, if you got the Rampage and if you got the Retaliator, I recommend to get this to put this in the Retaliator, so then you can have more ammo.
Leon, shoot me once.
What? Okay.
Just shoot me once in the back.
Okay. I'll be shooting Daniel and... Whoops, sorry. Guys, there. Okay, now, see how it hurts. Did it hurt? Did it hurt? Did it hurt? Did it hurt?
Yeah.
A bit. Out of 10.
4.
But what wasn't it with the Retaliator?
Don't shoot me again. It didn't really hurt.
Okay. Oh, sorry. Oh God, must have been jammed.
Yes.
It can jam a lot, mind. So bye guys.